here is my Japan. Yeah, session. You. Okay. I don't want to go out like right now. It's December 31. It's New Year's Eve. It was a really good year. Last year wasn't the best. I'd say that. Wasn't the worst too. But it had a lot of, I'd say, challenging moments compared to previous years. I'd say 2025 was like such a refresh. It was just really different, you know. Imagine in 1 year, in just a year, in a span of a year, I was able to go to so many places, and not just countries like Japan or Korea. I also went to new places, done new stuff, and have been doing things alone most of the time. For example, I just go during the summer break. I was just out most of the time. I stayed at my dad's house. I had my review classes for the college entrance tests. And I met new people, made new friends, been in different kinds of situations that aren't often experienced by a lot. I mean, I think 2025 was the year where I kind of grew. Not just grew taller, but where I grew in terms of personality, mindset. What else? Knowledge, I'd say. And I've been a lot more open-minded compared to previous years. Yeah. I wouldn't say this because last year was bad, but this year was honestly probably the best. A lot of reconciliation, a lot of conversations that really meant so much to me, and was really something that I was looking forward to for a long time. It's so cold, but we're cold in Japan, right? Tomorrow we will be checking out, and this is our last full day here in Osaka. Tomorrow we'll be heading to Nagano. We'll be there for 2 days. Experience snow for the first time. I've seen snow in person, but not like up close. I saw snow like on the peak of Mount Fuji. Snow under me or like in front of me. I've been spending, bro. It's just like the third day, and I've spent so much. Yeah. You know, I've also tried sake for the first time this year. I've done a few things that I would really not forget this year. Oops. And yeah. I mean, overall, but to conclude, this year was just very special. It was a whole new vibe for me. It was a whole new me, I could say. Because if I'd be talking to the 2024 me, I'd probably beat him up. Anitska burgers. Anitska burgers. It's New Year's Eve, not New Year yet. If you knew me at all. The vibe right now, it feels so different. Like, I feel so very sentimental, I feel so sentimental right now. It's crazy. I think I stepped on something. Right now, feels like an Olivia Dean night.
It's an Olivia Dean New Year's Eve. Bori right now, and it's very crowded on New Year's Eve. And I'm pretty sure there are no fireworks here because it's a quiet New Year. It's very crowded here in Gothenburg. Like, I've entered my flow state. I've entered my flow state. Yes. The amount of people. It's so crowded here. It's so crazy.
This place is so nice. The line earlier was so long, but then when we came back for it, it suddenly shortened. We took 20 minutes for our turn, and outside the bowls were like really huge to display. And when we entered, bro, it was apparently so very big. Whatever was on the display was the actual size of it. Guys, I found my new mic stand. The bowl's really big. I don't know if that's mine or what.
The bowl is so big.
This is gonna be an ASMR video. Good. The mic is. The mushrooms are so good. That's the sound of the egg. We're out here eating, and there's like this spot that's very crowded right now. I don't know what it is about. Oh no, I don't really understand what's going on right now. There's like Let's go. 3, 2, It's so quiet. Out here. It's very early in the morning. I think it's 6 a.m. We're heading to the station. And we're going to nagano. Okay.
He's one of the best scientific minds we have today.
There's a basket Robbins vending machine. We are currently on the way to Suruga. It's a place up north on a Shinkansen Thunderbird. Anyways, this is just a 1 hour and 20-minute ride, I think. I don't know if I can handle this right now. It's my heart. I think we're going through snow right now. Or at least, like, it's about to snow. This is snow, that's snow. Is that snow on the ground? Wait. Oh my goodness. There's snow. There really is snow. There's snow in here.
Guys, it's -1 right now. The cold is not a joke, right? It's like so cold right now. Oh, -1, -1.
There's a convenience here. Oh, my fingers are gonna freeze. My face is so puffy right now.
Wait for the ride.
so much white people. I feel like Japan. I have no gloves. I think I'm fine without gloves. Snow's falling. Not sleeping yet.